Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to study present perfect tense. Before this, we have studied simple present and present progressive or present continuous. So if you have not watched those videos, so I would suggest first watch those and next come here. Okay. So before going further to present perfect tense, I would like to tell you about subject, helping verb, and object, such as I already have told, but I want to revise. Subject, the person who does action. Okay, usually it comes at the start of the sentence, like he goes to school, so he is a subject. Harry eats lunch at 1 o'clock. So Harry is a subject. Next is helping verb. So it helps the main verb to express its tense. Okay. So such as in present indefinite tense, in affirmative, it is not used. But in present perfect tense, it would be used. So you should know. So what is its purpose? It helps the main verb to express its tense. So next is verb. Verb is what is action in the sentence. Like he goes to school. So goes is an action. Okay. He eats. So eats, we are saying this is action. So at last, object comes in the sentence. It means who or what receives the action. It usually comes at the end of the sentence. Like he go to school. Who receives action? School. So school is an object. I hope you get it. And if you have any question or confusion, you may ask me in the comment. I would respond to you over there. So now the present perfect. So it is used for actions that happened only a short time ago with just. It's mean that the present perfect tense is used with just, such as I have given an example. He has just gone out. Okay. He has just gone out. The next tense, I have just heard the news. Currently, you just have to see the examples. Later, I will tell you that how would you structure this tense. So now just focus on structure. Number two, this tense is used to express past actions whose time is not given and not definite. Okay, often with it, this tense is used already, ever, never, yet, twice, etc. Such as if I ask someone, have you read Mr. Chips? Who don't know that what is Mr. Chips? It is a novel. So the second sentence, I have already finished my work. So you can see that uh, it expresses past actions whose time is not given. Okay. When you have finished homework, you did not mention. So this is present perfect. I have seen Royal Fort twice. So when you have seen, the time is not mentioned. So that's why it is present perfect tense. So now we come to the third. For it is used for past actions when we think of their effect in the present. Example, somebody has broken the window. Okay, so in bracket I have mentioned the extra detail. The window is now broken, so it shows the action, okay, that started in the past. So the second example, I have cleaned the motorbike. Okay, it's mean that this action started in past and now it is cleared. So I have cleaned the motorbike. It's mean it is clean now. Number three, Anna has eaten all the biscuits. So there are none left for you. Okay. So number four, definition of present perfect tense is this tense is used for actions beginning at some time in the past and going on up to the moment of speaking with since and for phrases such as I have known him since 1996. Okay, it's mean the action that began in the past. So you also can use for this, but currently it is also present, that action, that thing is happening. Okay, that is still maintained. So a note that you need to remember, because some students get confused in present perfect and past indefinite. So the present perfect says about the past and about the present, while the simple past refers only to the past. Simple past tense or past indefinites will just refer only to the past. So, but in present perfect tense, present is also available, and use a simple past tense, not the present perfect tense, for an action that started and completed at a specific time in the past. If an action started in the past and it also finished in the past, so you will use past indefinite. Example, I have phoned her an hour ago. This is a wrong tense, okay? Because the time is mentioned here. So if the time is mentioned, so it represents to past indefinite. I phoned her an hour ago. You also can say I called her, because British mostly say I phoned. They don't say I called. So I hope you will get it. So when you will convert into negative or interrogative, the structure will be like this. For this simple affirmative, you will use subject plus helping verb plus past participle plus object. You will use helping verb has and have. With he, she, it, and singular noun, you will use has. And with I, we, you, they, and plural noun, you will use helping verb have. With past participle means verb third form. And when you have to make the negative, then subject plus helping verb plus not plus past participle plus object, and then full stop. And for interrogative, helping verb will come at the start of the sentence. Helping verb plus subject plus past participle plus object. And at the end, you will mark the question mark. And for double interrogative sentence, double interrogative means when, where, how, these interrogative pronouns come at the start of the sentence. Okay. And soon after, helping verb comes, like where, how, when, plus helping verb plus subject plus past participle plus object. So this would be the structure. So make practice of all these, write at least 30 sentences, but apply in yourself or your family member or your friends. So then you will be more able to speak it better, even write it better. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. So this is it for now. Take care. Bye bye.